Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning, if you're not talking to this person yet, this person wants to come back in and talk to you, but I told you they're nervous, sweating bullets. Like, I'm getting hot for no reason. And this person, whoever I'm picking up on, they see themselves marrying you. So for some of you guys, this person, if they don't just come back, talk to you, and eventually there's a ring in hand, there's going to be a ring eventually because they feel like you're the one. They know they messed up, and I told honey, they're making plans. Somebody's making plans. That's why I'm picking up. They're nervous. You dealt with this person in a past life. See, right now, they're trying to heal from a family situation, and they want your forgiveness because they broke your trust. And it's like they miss talking to you, but right now they're keeping their distance from you. Some of them, they could live at a distance, but they're unhappy right now in their situation. And they're hoping that you can give them a chance, and they want you to know it's safe for you to love them. But see, they've been hiding how they feel. This person, to me, it sounds like they have a hard time opening up, and that's why they're sweating bullets, because they're going to have to come back and talk to you. And see, Spirit is saying they need to make the effort because they miss talking to you, playing with you. You know, y'all flirting. I almost said something, shut up, damn. Anyway, it was about to get nasty, but let's keep going. Anyway, but there's been somebody blocking this connection because with love yourself first, that's like friends, family, another love interest. Somebody's been standing in the way, and your person has been standing up for themselves. And that's why they've been taking a cautious approach, because they're trying to get out of a situation. But look at that. Worth waiting for. Divine timing. So something is meant to be. Ooh. Oh, this is going to be good, Virgo. Okay. Oh, this is going to be good. Bottom of the deck, I have the Queen of Cups. So, this person that I'm picking up on, they know that they hurt you. They feel like you're really upset with them. Still to this day. See, there's the Ace of Cups, and it came out reversed. So, this lets me know they're afraid if they give you this offer, you're not going to take it. But look at that. Wheel of Fortune. They want to move forward with you. This person definitely wants to move forward. Tell me more. But they're back and forth with the Queen of Pentacles. They don't know how you feel. That's why they're nervous. It's like they know you're someone who's very caring. You'll go out there, you know, your way to make other people happy. Like, you're a giver, you know. And they know that they messed up with you really, really bad. And so they feel like you're moving on. When they come back, you're not going to take the offer. They know you're not going to put any more energy into them. See? But they're going to still come back and tell you the truth. They're going to come speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but they're not listening to their intuition. Their intuition is pushing them to move forward with you, to end some type of cycle, but they're not listening. Clarify the High Priestess reverse. Ooh, see what... Y'all, this person left you out in the cold. I told you, this is why they're afraid to come back. This person, whoever I'm picking up on, they've done you dirty more than once. I mean, more than 3, 4, 5. Like, they kept effing up. You hear me? This person been messing up, and that's why they're afraid. Like, okay, if I approach him or her, they're not gonna take me back. See, they're not confident. They're not confident in speaking their truth to you. And they got to make a decision. Lord, but they're having a hard time. See, they got to free themselves. They want to have a peace of mind with you, but the way that came out, they're feeling stuck, and they need to basically free themselves. Yeah, see, they want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. Ooh, this person. Ooh, overthinking. Yep, I told y'all, they want things to improve with you. This person wants to marry you. Okay? You could be dealing with a Taurus. Oh my gosh. Look, y'all see the High Priestess and the Hierophant? Look at that. This is definitely a soulmate, but my money's on a twin situation. See, and they're going to come out of feeling frustrated. See, they're going to come back confident. They know what they have to do, or they're going to lose you. See, they made a decision. What's their decision? What they decide on? Ooh, 6 of Cups try to come out. They want a family with you. And see, they got to move fast. They're going to have to move really fast, okay? But see, they got to make a decision. I'm pausing because this is the thing. I know what this person wants with you, but I feel like for some of you guys, this person is in a situation. Somebody could be married, which makes sense with freeing themselves. If they're not married, it's a relationship. There's some type of like maybe business contract, living contract. It's something like that they're going to have to get out of. Clarify Judgment. See, the seeds that they planted with you, they feel like it's not going to grow. Okay. They're going through a tower moment right now. Yep. But, okay, this is the thing. They're going through a tower moment on their end right now, because remember I just told you, if they're not married, it's a relationship, something that they're committed to, business contract, it's something, whatever it is for their situation, because a lot of y'all. So they're going through it right now, but they're also realizing that you're the one that they're supposed to be with. You were always the person, and some of them overlooked you. See, but I told you, they got to remove themselves from a third party. I told y'all they're going through a tower moment right now. And see, it's like they don't want you to walk away, but they have not completely walked away from this other situation yet. They will, but they haven't just yet. See, they feel stuck. Somebody feels stuck in the situation. Clarify. Codependent. Y'all, I just told y'all they're going through a tower moment with this other situation, whether they're married, relationship, it's something, because somebody's codependent to them, they're codependent to someone else. See, Five of Cups tried to jump out. It's something pertaining to finances. So, it's like, they know what they need to do, they're just moving really slow to get out of this situation. See, they're going to put an end to it. They're definitely going to put an end to it, because they do want things to improve with you. They want things to improve financially for themselves. And right now, it's like they're putting all their focus into their money right now, their career. They're trying to make sure, financially speaking, they're okay. But they are going to put the same energy back into you, because they want to win you back. But see, they can't help but to think, okay, I was being real sneaky. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo. And I'm seeing they're isolating themselves. I done missed a sign. Sorry, y'all. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But see what I'm saying? This person, it's like they're isolating themselves from you because they're trying to figure out how to end some type of relationship or commitment or get out of something. But they're afraid that you don't want to be with them. See? They have decisions to make. Somebody has to sit here and figure out what they're going to do, how they're going to get out of the situation, because they want to have a victory with you. Yep, and they're holding on to hope that they can make things right. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. See, it's like they look at you like a blessing, and they want to be with you. They care about you. This person loves you, and I honestly feel like you feel the same way. You're just annoyed with the nonsense that you've had to go through with them. The problem is there is somebody around them that's holding on to them. See what I'm saying? Look at that. I got 2 tens. They're going to put an ending to this other situation. But it's like this person feels responsible for taking care of someone or other people. And they're having a hard time because they were juggling between you and someone else. Whether it's you and family, you and friends, you and another love interest, you and somebody they were married to. Whatever the situation is, it's like they got to figure this out. See, and they're having a hard time right now. Okay. But they're going to get out that third party. I told you. Somebody's getting ready to leave. But they're afraid that you already cut them off for good. See? They feel like you're not going to take this offer. But I'm seeing communication coming in. Look at that. They want to have a home life with you, a family life with you. But see, yeah, there's a family situation that's going on. They want to talk to you about it. Somebody from the past. And see, they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. Okay. But I'm seeing that you are their wish fulfillment. They want to make things right. But I'm telling you, they feel like they know that they hurt you. But you guys have this poker face, Virgo. Y'all act like, y'all are good. You don't care about this person. But behind closed doors, this situation still bothers you. See, and it's like they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Yep, they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around. But see, they want to balance things out. And they will come out of their head. They will come out of being frustrated. But because they don't have the strength to come towards you and move forward just yet, this is why you're not hearing anything from them. See, this person definitely knows that they didn't bring stability to the situation. And for some of you, they're worried about their own stability. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing, somebody could be dealing with an Aries.
Okay, for some of you, this person was being very emotionally manipulative. For others of you, this person was dealing with someone who was very controlling, very manipulative, and that's why they couldn't move forward with you. See, there was no balance here. Could have been dealing with a Sagittarius, but I'm seeing that they definitely want to have a new beginning with you, Virgo, but they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. They betrayed your trust. And that's why they're talking to people, trying to figure out how they can take a leap to come towards you. Yeah, they're going to have to move fast. Clarify the Knight of Wands. But see, they were being a player. And it's like they're trying to get out of some type of family situation. But when it comes to you, I told you, they want to marry you. This is the person, you're the person that they want to spend their life with, but they got to get out this other situation. But because they were running in and out of your life, they were being a player, they don't know if you even want the Ten of Cups with them anymore. See? Oh, Lord. Somebody has a family with someone else. Whether this person has a family with you or they have it with someone else, it's like they feel like, okay, they're going to lose their family. But the thing is, they're not happy. Somebody's not happy in this situation because, see, they're going to have to move fast to give you an offer, Virgo. Yeah. Look at, see, okay. They want to balance things out with you. Clarify 6. See what I'm saying? 2-6 is family. Somebody is in some type of family situation. And they want to come back and work it out with you, but they're going to have to pay someone else. So, like, if there's a child or children involved, that could be what it is. Yeah, there's going to be communication about it. They're going to come and talk to you. And they're frustrated about their money. See, that's why I told y'all they're worried about financial stability. And see, that's why they've been stuck for a while trying to figure out what to do. See, they need to listen to their intuition, but there's been some fear, you know, out of the fact that there's going to be a lot of conflict here once they decide to have this new opportunity with you. And see, right now they're worried. There's the devil. Yeah, there's fear here. Clarify the devil, please. Yeah, they're scared because they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini. I'm going to pass a sign. Sorry, y'all. Gemini, Pisces, Capricorn. But let's see. They don't want you to cut them off. Oh, they're watching you. Somebody just said, oh, I know. They're watching you. Because, see, they want to start over and build something new with you, and they're coming out of this regret of how things played out. Tell me more. But, see, they feel like they know they were being immature and childish towards you, and see, they're still not speaking up. This person is still not saying anything. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.